Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write on an image in Google Docs. Now, in order for us to proceed, I have added this text right here, and this is going to be our sample. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is head over or click your image here. Let's go ahead and hide this. And then you're going to go ahead and make sure that this is hidden behind text. So the moment you do that one, what's going to happen this time is that you should be able to type here any text above. So say for example, this is a ball, just like so. Now, one problem here is that you won't be able to move this easily. So there is a solution for that one. Let's go ahead and click the insert button here, and we're going to go ahead and click drawing and then click new. And then we're going to go ahead and select text. So we're going to click this one here in order to add a text box. I'm just going to click this once, just like so. And then let's go ahead and type here something. So this is a bowl, for example. And then let's head over to this fill color, and you have to make sure that this is transparent. Otherwise, it's gonna be hiding or it's gonna basically hide that ball. Now you can go ahead and click this now, and you have to click this in front of text in order for you to move this easily. There you go. So yeah, from this point forward, just go ahead and adjust this depending on where you want it. If you want to make it bigger, it's actually quite simple. You can just head over and just pull this just like so, and it's gonna be bigger. So yep, that is how you're going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video has been helpful.